Hey, hello, grade 8. So, you should have finished the magnetism introduction questions and stuff from earlier this week. You should now be on this assignment for the magnetic fields in the Earth. So, what you need to do first is, well, you're watching this video first, so hopefully you see this. And you want to go to the link below, this magnet and compass link, that you need to go here. It'll open up a web page. Here's the simulation that we want to download. You click download and you'll see it downloading here. Shouldn't take more than a few seconds. Okay, now that it's downloaded, it will ask, it might harm your computer, just say keep. This is from a safe source, I believe, in university. All right, so it's downloaded. Click here. Control folder, just open directly. All right, so you click open, and it might take a few minutes. So if it doesn't open after a few minutes, we might need, and you might get an error report or something. It might just flash on the screen, but you should see this, and then it pops open. All right. If you don't see this after a few, 10, 20 seconds, comment in this assignment. Let me know that it's not working on your computer. There's a fix thing that I can send you that would hopefully get it working. You do need to have Java installed on your computer, so if you don't have that, that's the first thing you would need to do. And we can talk about that if you have problems with this. All right. So once this is open, now minimize it. Your next activity, your next thing to do would be to open up the document that I am in the middle of creating right now. So this document will be ready when I post the assignment. All right, thanks.